Hey you guys, my name is Vivian and I'm back with another video. This is my review, my own personal review of the Raw Lao Wavy by Yummy Extensions. This is just my own personal review, and you know, when you have a moment, just please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions. This is just my own personal review of the Raw Lao Wavy by Yummy Extensions. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. No one is paying me to do this video or to give my own personal opinion of this hair. This is my own opinion. Again, it's not sponsored. I purchased this hair on Black Friday with it's a 16-inch closure, 18, 20, and 22-inch. I believe I paid altogether $444. This was on their Black Friday sale, which, you know, again, if it wasn't a sale, it would probably be way more than that. So again, when they have sales, always take advantage of that. You can subscribe to their insiders list on yummyextensions.com, or you can follow them on Yummy Extensions on their Instagram page, where you can stay informed as well. This is actually my second purchase of this texture. The one that I purchased back in May, it was two 14-inch or 12-inch and a 16-inch closure that I just cut to make the same length as my 12-inch. But again, this is how it looks. As you can see, the way y'all, it's beautiful hair. It's beautiful. But let me tell you, raw hair is a lot of maintenance. Keyword, raw. It's a lot of maintenance. Again, try to use the recommended products that they tell you to use, which I know with this type of texture, they tell you to use Tresemme Flawless Curls. But I find that the conditioner that I use works really well, which is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. It works wonders. On the shorter bundles that I had of the Raw Lao, one day, I don't know if it was something that I was putting in it. That's why I say always try to use the recommended products. I don't know if it was something that I was putting in it, but the luster, everything, it was getting tangled, and I had nothing but problems with it. But when I used the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner, brought it back to life. I mean, everything. It was soft again. It brought back the shine, the softness, everything. So Tresemme products work really well with this hair, as well as, you know, the other textures that they have. But as you can see, the waves, no shedding, none. I'm just testing it out for you guys. Okay. One. That's it. And another one. So like I said, very minimal. Very minimal. It does hold a curl. Again, I had this wand curled last week. And I combed it out a little bit, just to give it that wavy look, and I mean, it was beautiful. You will get very minimal to no shedding. Again, raw hair is high maintenance. It's a lot of work, you know. I just prefer wavy textures. Again, because once I curl it, that's it. I really don't have to do much to it because it holds that curl. It'll hold that wavy look, and I love wavy looks. Last October, I purchased the Raw Cambodian Wavy Elegance, which I still have. All of my purchases I've made wigs out of. I just prefer wigs. The best. And then Black Friday last year, I did the natural wave, which, like I stated, I gave that away. Valentine's Day, they had a sale. I purchased the curly wave. Again, the next time I purchase that texture, it's going to be longer lengths. Because it's cute. When it's in a bob, it's cute. You know, when you wet it, it's soft, pretty curls. But then once it dries up, that bob gets big. So the next time I will do a longer length. And then in May, like I stated, I purchased the Raw Lao with shorter lengths. But this one, for Black Friday of this year, I purchased the 16-inch closure, 18, 20, and 22. And then a week later, I wanted to get an extra bundle just to have that fullness, because when it's a longer length, you know, the bundles tend to be thinner. So just to be on the safe side, I just purchased an extra bundle of the 22-inch. But this is it. Beautiful hair. Really beautiful. Another thing I want to specify about Yummy Extensions, when it's the Raw Lao Wavy that you're ordering, you always want to leave a note. They'll have a section, like when you're ordering it, they'll have like a section for notes. You want to specify with this hair if you want natural black or medium brown, like, you know, like 1B, I want to say. You always want to specify, because I do believe with this texture only, you can actually leave a note to let them know that you want like natural black, or, you know, the medium one, you know, medium brown, like 1B. And as well as with the Lao Wavy closure, you can also specify if you want natural black or medium brown. But again, see how you can run your fingers through it. It's soft, you guys. It's really soft. They do tell you that they wash the hair, and I do believe them. But again, they also tell you when you get it, you make sure that you co-wash the hair so you can detect any problems very quick. When I co-washed it, again, maybe 1 to 2 strands came out, but that was it. I mean, it was still soft. Even just running water and everything, the hair was still soft. Still soft. But the conditioner that I use, it is Tresemme, but I use the one that says Keratin Smooth. It works really well. Really well. When it's dry, I really don't tend to put a whole lot of products in it. This is just my personal opinion. Once I co-wash it, I'll put Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum in it, and that's it. I'm not putting anything else. I put that in it, and that's all. I'll kind of like blow dry it, and I have like I put it on my wig head stand. I'll just kind of lightly blow dry it a little bit, and I'll put this blow drying cap that I bought from Sally's. I'll put that to kind of like get all of this dried, because you know it does take a while, and then that's it. I'll just let it air dry, and I mean the waves, it brings it back to its natural state. But this is just my personal opinion. I really don't have problems with this particular texture. Again, I just had only one bad experience, and that's with the shorter bundle of this texture that I had. And again, I'm not going to say that it was a problem with the hair itself. I'm going to say that it's probably what I was putting in the hair. And it really does not take, you really do not need to put a whole lot of product in the hair, because you can weigh it down. So I'm going to blame me when it comes to that particular experience. I'm going to blame me, because I was putting stuff in it, and that's when I started incurring problems with the hair, until I used that Tresemme Keratin Smooth conditioner. fixed the problem, brought it back to life. I did not seal my wefts. I do not seal any wefts when I purchase from Yummy Extensions. I don't believe in it. I do hear a lot of people say that, you know, they like to say, make sure you seal your wefts. I'm not doing that. If I pay a whole lot of money for some hair, I don't feel like I need to come back home and do extra work as far as sealing your wefts. If I'm paying a whole lot and this hair is expensive, and it really is. All of their hair on Yummy Extensions is expensive. Again, Yummy Extensions will not tell. I don't see where they tell their customers to seal their wefts. I don't see that at all. I don't even see it on their websites where they're telling people to seal their wefts. I don't see that at all. I don't think Yummy Extensions ever said that. Which is true. I mean, the hair is top quality, and it's really expensive. That's why, you know, again, you know, when they have really good sales, you always want to take advantage of that. But again, the hair is top quality, is expensive. I should not have to pay all that money and then come back home and do all this extra work with sealing your wefts. That's just my opinion. Kudos to anybody that does that. I'm not trying to judge y'all on anything, but that's how I think. If you're paying all of that, I mean, again, I just don't feel like you should do that extra work in sealing your wefts. I've never done it. With all of the bundles that I've purchased, all of the textures that I purchased with Yummy Extensions, I've never had to do it. And I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing that extra work. That hair should be ready to go, you know, with less problems. And, you know, when it's time to make the wig or whatever, should be ready to go. Again, this is just my opinion. This is the hair. I'm going to leave pictures showing y'all, you know, how it looks on day to day. But this is it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to look into this camera and I have the screen. I'm looking at the screen at the same time. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Again, this is just my personal opinion. Everybody's not going to have the same experience that I had. Everybody's opinions are going to be different. Either with this texture or any other texture that they ever purchased from Yummy Extensions. But this is just my opinion of the hair. Again, the only bad experience I had of the shorter lengths, I'm gonna blame me because of what I was putting in the hair. That's not Yummy Extensions' fault. That's not nothing was wrong with the hair, because again, I ended up purchasing it again with longer lengths, and again, nothing. Soft. I mean soft. And I've been having it since Black Friday. Co-washed it, everything, and it's December 26th. And look at it. So again, I'm gonna try to do another video like maybe a month later, after, you know, after wearing it for so many days and washing it, you know, giving it a good condition, and, you know, try to do another video to show y'all again how it looks a month later. But again, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave it below in the comments. You have any suggestions, any opinions, please leave it in the comments. Please try to be kind, because, you know, I see a whole lot of how some people be going in, they don't like your video and this and that, and I'm just like, but just please try to be kind. This is just my own review. It is not sponsored. I'm telling y'all now. This is my own review. Because if the hair was bad, I'm going to tell y'all it's bad. I will tell y'all that. Regardless how many times I done purchased with them. But again, this is from Yummy Extensions. So how many times I purchased? October, November of last year, February, March. About 5 or 6 times. But again, thank you guys for watching. But again, if y'all have any comments or suggestions on like what y'all use with the hair, you know, in regards to what they tell y'all to use, please leave it in the comments. They do recommend Tresemme a lot, but I just like to use the Tresemme keratin conditioner. But again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all watching this video, but I just wanted to just kind of just give a quick review opinion about the hair. But thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.